Hey everyone. If you've ever wanted to learn how to actually build a complete option strategy from scratch, not just follow one, this series is going to be really valuable for you. Because step by step, we're going to take a strategy from idea all the way to execution. We'll start by understanding the concept, then build the strategy step by step, define entry and exit rules, forward test it using paper trading, and finally, learn how to analyze and improve it. So by the end of this series, you won't just know what to trade, you'll understand how to build your own strategies. Now in this video, we're starting with the foundation, the concept of ratio spreads. Before we jump into building anything, it's important to clearly understand what this setup is and how it actually works. Let's start with the basics. A spread in options trading simply means combining two positions, one buy and one sell. For example, you buy one option and sell another option at a different strike. Now let's take a simple example. Suppose the market is around a certain level, and that becomes your ATM strike. You buy an ATM option, and at the same time, you sell another option that's slightly out of the money. That combination forms a basic spread. Now here's where things get interesting. If you increase the quantity of the sell position compared to the buy position, it becomes a ratio spread. So instead of one buy and one sell, you might have one buy and two or even three sells. This creates a very different payoff structure. The strategy performs best when the market stays within a certain range, but it starts losing if the market moves too aggressively in either direction. Because of this, the payoff graph forms a curved shape, with risk zones on both sides. So in simple terms, a ratio spread is a strategy where you buy fewer options and sell more options to create a non-directional setup with defined zones and controlled behavior. In the next video, we'll take this concept and actually build this strategy step by step using the Option Wizard.